Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to pull some of the truck out today, as in like cupboards and lots of bits and pieces.
And we already have.
Yeah. And we've already started to remove some bits.
But I videoed it the wrong way around, so
Yeah,
you might not see it.
that's fine, we can sort it out. So yeah, Jensen will show you. We've got a couple of bits we've taken out.
Used to be here, and there used to be, that was a shelf for there as well.
Yeah. So we're going to carry on taking all these cupboards and bits and pieces out. Yeah.
You two have taken out all the screws for the ones above, haven't you?
Yeah, we just I think it's tiger seal, but hopefully it is, because otherwise it'll probably fall on someone's head.
I think it'll be right. Right. And here we have the bear in her natural habitat.
It's too small.
Yes.
It's too small. Don't work. You gave me a dud. Hang on. Got a screwdriver.
Have you made sure you've chewed all the screws up to make
That's
it
too
harder for
small
me?
as well.
Ah!
It's all too small.
We'll be right back.
Oh, here's the smarty pants. Getting all the screws out.
Screws come out much better if you don't chew them up.
You what?
I said, don't you always just do that when you're wrong and you get something right to make them feel bad?
No. Don't know what you're on about.
Thanks, son. Oh no. That one's chewed. Looks like almost someone's been there before me. That's not good.
Yeah, they're really chewed up.
Yeah, they're pretty chewed.
And very rusty.
When in doubt, get a lever.
And he started speaking American again.
Right. Oh yes, there we go.
Well, he seemed to have snapped it.
That's fine.
We're not keeping it anyway.
There we go.
I'll take that.
I think this is where the wiring is behind it.
For the electric.
Yeah.
Hey Dad, I'll give my tongue a new coat of paint.
Uh-huh.
We're going to keep all the metal bits.
There we go. There we go. Oh, look. Some original colour.
Ah,
Interesting.
blue and speckly.
They might keep that.
Oh, blue tongue.
Mm.
Yeah,
tongue.
we use both the tongue painters.
Ah.
I love them.
Go and eat your lunch then.
I think he's got.
So that's that wire here then. Makes sense.
Is there more wires under where the lights are and stuff?
Yeah.
Then?
It goes across there. I think that must be the main one that comes through there. Box behind here. Ah, it's a little cover. Okay. Should probably see if there's any voltage there, shouldn't I? That's a good idea.
You need your voltmeter.
We'll go and get it.
Oh look, Jensen's turned into a vampire. Ha 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 ha.
Little tip. So, before you ever use a voltmeter on anything, I always like to just actually check it against the battery, because there's nothing worse than finding out the hard way that your voltmeter is lying to you. No one wants that. There we go. My voltmeter's working. Let's have a look what we got. Can you hold that for me?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Have we got anything?
No. No. Oh. 1.
Thank you for that.
Oh, 5, 7, 4.
I think we're right. Fine. Cool. I can pull it off now. You touch it?
No. Put it on your tongue.
I'd rather not. That bolt will come off, I believe. Right, now what is behind these?
More cables? Oh no, there won't be all there.
A little bit, yeah, but I just don't know how this is kept on the ceiling at the minute because.
Oh, okay.
Oh, for RV Luminaire it says on there, so these were specifically designed. So that's nice, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Ah, there we go, look. Screws through there.
Oh, that's why you can't get out.
Yeah. So that makes sense as to why. You probably want to keep these lights because they might still be useful.
Yeah.
They're alright.
Yeah, not too bad.
I don't actually know how did that come off?
It fell apart in your hand.
It's just
didn't it?
clipped on.
Yeah.
They're twisted. Back bit. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so that wire is for the wiring for them.
Uh-huh.
That's cool. Yes. Yep. Might as well just keep that together.
Oh, thank you. Oh, together. We have a bit in a bag.
Yep.
I'll go and get a bag in it.
There was one. Why? Why? Chewed up, didn't it? Of course it did. Of course it did. Yeah, okay, have it your way. Tried to be nice. That's them out.
back bit now, metal bit.
Yeah, we could do with taking this metal piece
Does
out.
that go back any further, or is that it? Because I
There'll
feel
be
like
some
it's
insulation
further.
behind that. But we'll see what's behind this board here.
Uh-huh.
I'm guessing that this here, that's probably what that's like behind this.
Oh yeah, and then been boarded up.
But yeah, let's get this bit off. Spare a few screws. Definitely speed that bit up. Yeah, let's get that off. And ta-da! Oh look, it's a cut down plate.
Is it the lights?
Wow.
Let me look.
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
So yeah, that's important that we need to have a access hatch for them. Yeah, we've got a few bits to take off though. It's like this, I don't know if this panel here is doing anything. Or if we just put it there to stop like something, like a motorbike hitting it or something, I don't know. It's been glued on as well. Oh, what screws. Oh. Oh yes, well glued on. Yeah, literally.
It's decoration.
No, it's a good old plate, but it doesn't do anything. And I'm guessing that they're the same then. It might have had some kind of different racking in here at some point, but it's a good plate. I'll probably use it on something else. Right, so yeah, we're looking a bit clearer in here. And I was just looking into these hatches and where the lights, there's obviously all the wiring at the back of the lights there. And it's got that little access panel there and one there, but they're really low down. And if you consider that the highest light here, it should be like there, rather than, you know, to access all that. So I think we're going to have to look at making some access panels. We're going to take that panel off anyway to see what's behind, and the same with that one, but I think we have to make some access panels so that we can actually get to them if we need to, because I don't fancy trying to roam around in there to change a bit of wiring or something that's gone wrong. So yeah, we need to sort that out, I think. That'll be another little job. Right, let's get on. I'm going to go make a coffee and leave Christina with you to take this off. So we'll see how many screws she's chewed up by the time I get back.
Coming out fine. I said I can't get that one.
Hello. That familiar sound of metal grinding against metal.
There's a few I can't.
What's she done? Go on.
You okay there?
Yep. Taking all of these out.
Oh. How are we going, Bear?
Good. Okay.
It's a lovely bit of checker plate.
Yeah, what are you going to do with it?
I don't know.
Like the garage floor.
Seems... yes. Yeah, that's a possibility, because we've got a... in that section there, once it's all partitioned off, we will have a bit of... yeah. Maybe. Let's go. stuff though. You must have them nearly all out now, haven't you?
There's a few that
You have to take these.
I can't do the bottom. Yeah, no, I can't. The bottom ones I can't.
Okay. I think that is just glued on. Actually, should we try and get that off?
For me to take?
Let me just see if I'm going to get a lever behind it. Just try the screwdriver stuff. In fact, well, the same with that. It almost looks like it slides, like.
Yeah, that's weird.
But there's nowhere to slide it, so it's got to be. It must be glued.
There's no screws in it.
I don't know. I don't want to break that.
No.
Yeah. So it is like a.
It's clipped.
Oh, okay.
Clips in.
So that one will be the same then.
Yeah, so we need
So
to take
it
that off.
probably just needs levered one way.
There might be some screws underneath.
Oh no, but look. Oh, so. Yeah, that separates off. There. That's. Yeah, okay. So actually, that should just. Should flip off. Like that. I mean, that's definitely not how it should come off, but.
No, just pull it with your hand now.
But. Ooh. Yeah, okay.
Oh, it's screwed.
Yeah, I'm done with it now.
It's gonna be your bedroom, boys. And once we've got these bits out, we can
We're
then.
gonna get the bag out.
Well, yeah, we've got to do that next.
We've got a lot of wall removing to do. Like, I can say something quick.
Mhm.
Guys, got a new multi-call. Actually, Mum.
New multi-tool.
You have to cut the ceiling out.
Yeah, Mum. Like an electric one.
Yeah.
How's it gonna work? A lot of beds stop at that little bump bit there where it sticks out.
Yeah, I haven't decided yet. I need.
I think it'll have to be a bit longer because then I'll be like.
Yeah, I need to see what room we've got when we've got everything.
What part of the room got that got a lever bar? Because otherwise you wouldn't have been able to get half the stuff off.
The only thing is
Big cat for gag.
there we go.
Regular bed.
We've got some rotten wood.
Oh no, is it really bad?
Yeah.
Really, really bad?
Not too bad.
Can't see it.
Yeah, that's fine.
We might see if I can get this out.
Oh, yeah, really bad.
Oh, very rotten.
Rotten in the corner.
Oh yeah.
Have we done fix yet?
Yeah,
It's alright,
just
put
put
some new
wood in
wood.
anyway. This floor's going to have to come up anyway, so
Yeah.
How are we going to put the floor
it's
on?
not the end of the world. Right. So I pulled that trim off. I saved you watching that because there was a lot of swearing involved. It did not want to come off, but now it is. So. Yep. Like that. This panel off here. Yeah. It's got to be nailed on there, isn't it? Must be. I don't think. I don't know. Actually. That's screwed. It's got screws behind there. Yeah, I might. 'Cause, 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 'cause,
What's that?
That's the fiberglass body, because the steps are in here, aren't they?
Oh, yeah.
So that looks like original ceiling.
So what are you keeping that bit there? Right at the bottom.
So that's the only
Replace it
problem,
anyway.
isn't it? It's actually not. It is. Ignore that. It actually is rotten at the bottom. Yeah. Correct.
Small knife.
Yeah, very handy. Another piece. And there's all the lights. There we go. So yeah, we need to have access to all this. So it's not such a bad thing that we have to take that out. And this is all strong fiberglass body, so got no worries there. So the next bit is going to be all this. Get all this panel off. Yeah. Here we go then. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, okay. All nice.
What are you doing?
Turn them off. Yeah.
Did you fix it?
Yeah, brother.
You
I don't know what it was. Yes. So I think, well, I don't think I know, so we're going to have to take that isn't, I think that's a thin sheet on top of what's there. That's not the backing of the actual roof, I don't think. But I might be proved wrong once we take this off. But
How is the ceiling attached?
well, that's in two bits there. I don't know how the seam's attached.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
The parting's like here, isn't it?
Yes. But we're going to have to go up there and get the... Before we do any of this room, we're going to have to go up there and take the mattress out and then look at that divider to see if that's screwed down. That divider might help actually. At the minute, that might be helping secure the floor. Because what we might have to do when we put the bed, or the bed's here. Oh no, it should be right. I was going to say I have to put extra support in, but we won't anyway.
Alright.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Because all the supports will be.
Underneath it.
Yeah, but even if we had to put a brace of wood in here to support that corner, we could. That's obviously where the ladder's screwed through it. See that?
No.
Yeah.
You'll see.
No, thank you. Pull my pants up. I've been told off. We're safe.
No
It's
one
okay.
wants crack.
Well, Depends who's watching the channel, really, I suppose. Ooh, that's another. It's that bloody glue, isn't it? It's the stuff they've used to stick it on. I might be able to get the knife up the back of it. See, that's getting it. It's all going that way. If only that was it, that'd be great.
Yep. More and more bored.
I'm getting bored of this now. That's free, you can have that.
Tricky old man.
The reason I did that bit was because I don't think we're going to get any of that out until we get this out, because I think that's all one piece up there.
Oh, okay, so it's thicker.
I don't think we're going to get to it. So. Yeah, I think, guys, that this board here is all one piece where it goes up and through the ceiling, like that whole side of the truck. So I think we're going to have to wait until we get the ceiling out before we can look any more into the issue with the damp at the bottom of here and where that's coming from. This wall here, what we just took the front off, is damp at the bottom as well, but the other side of that is the shower, which door's in the way, but anyway, the other side of that's the shower room that we're redoing anyway, so all that's going to come out, so it's not really the end of the world, unless there's anything we can salvage once we get into it, but we will see. How's everything going?
Pardon?
How do you think it's going?
Good.
Yeah, it's going all right, isn't
We
it?
do it when we get the top out.
It's just really warm today, isn't it?
Oh,
You're always cold. It's because I'm doing all the work. Wait, are you good?
Death by Jelly Bean.
Right guys, we're going to have a bit of a clean up. And then we can have a look at taking where the toolbox is and getting rid of that. Well, not getting rid of it, I might reuse it, but getting it out for now. And all the cupboards and stuff. So, yeah, we're going to clear all this up and get all that toolbox and all that, this light off here. And just all these bits and pieces, just get them out the way. So we've got a fresh start and we can look at how we're getting this ceiling out, which is the bed area. So yeah, let's get to it.